Good morning children, welcome to Narayana Live Classes P for the class 10th assignment number 20, and the topic here is emerging political trends from the year 1977 to 2000. So the first question is end of emergency. So during the rule of Mrs. Indira Gandhi, she has declared emergency in our country. So in which year this emergency has been put to an end, it came to an end. So in which year? In the year 1977. So in the year 1977. Next, coming to the next question, say Swatantra Party, Bharatiya Jan Sangh and Bharatiya Lokdal Congress decided. All these parties were different political parties, and all these parties together merged into one party. What is the name of that party? It is Janata Dal. Okay. Next question is the 6th President of India as on 25th July 1977. So who was the President of our India? He is none other than Neelam Sanjeeva Reddy. Next, a party which was formed of socialists who called for special attention of the Indian farmers. So which party was formed for the sake of the farmers? So special care to be given to the farmers. So it is none other than Bharatiya Lokdal, BLD party. Okay. Next, as per which provisions of the constitution the governor of a state can recommend the dismissal of the state government to the president. Suppose if the governor of the state, every state has got their own governors. So if the governor is not satisfied with the rule of the state government, so he can request the president to dissolve the state government, to dissolve the chief ministers and his ministers. So according to which article? It is according to the article 356. Next, Janata government came into power. So what is this Janata government? It is a merging of 7 parties together formed into one party. That party is Janata government. So it has contested in the elections against the Indian National Congress. So in the year 1977, the Congress party lost in the elections and this party won in the elections. So in the year 1977, the Janata party came into rule. Okay. Next, in what way does the multi-party democracy create favorable conditions for the social movements and protests? See children, many of the parties, many people merge together to form the parties, and these parties, they raise their voice against the governments if they are not working properly. So here he is asking the multi-party. So whether the multi-party creates a democracy in the government? Yes, the multi-party system creates a democracy in the government. Forms it is favorable for the creation of democracy. Example, the Janata Dal. Okay, the Bharatiya Janata Dal. It formed creating a favorable conditions against the arbitrary government of the Congress. So this Janata Dal has been formed against the Congress. Next, even in the Assam state, so anti-outsiders, so they supported in the Assam to form Assam Jana Parishad. So anti-outsiders, they formed Assam Jana Parishad. Next, even in the Punjab also, they were supported by Shiromani Akali Dal. Punjab also, they were supported Shiromani Akali Dal. This government, these all formed together. It is a multi-party system which they raised against their voices against the actions of the government, against the government. So multi-party system forms a good. It is a good. Next, do you think the single party would have been better than the multi-party democracy? So here he is asking whether only a single party is good or a multi-party system is good. So here what is happening, if a single party is there, they will continuously win in the elections. So what does it leads to? It leads to the monarchical government, where all the decisions are taken by the single party government itself. So they only take all the important decisions of the country, and it does not lead to the democracy. So it is limiting the people's people's expectations. So people's freedom. Okay, so that is what. So here multi-party, single party means single party democracy won't be better, because it leads to the what it leads to. It leads to only winning. If they continuously win, they only take all the important decisions. And they doesn't give chance to the other people. So it leads to the it leads to the improper government. So this is what. Thank you, children.